What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are here in my bathroom, and that is because I seriously need a haircut. And today, I am going to attempt to cut my own hair. I'm so scared. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is ditch my hat because can't cut hair with hat on. Now I've got this little clip here and I'm gonna attempt to pin my hair back, I guess like that, so I don't accidentally cut something that's too long. All right, I am so freaking scared. All right, so basically I've got my clippers here, and my clippers come with like a hair setting, and they also come with a beard setting. So I'm gonna be kind of switching between the two because I'm basically gonna start with the biggest guard to play it safe and then work my way down. I'm gonna do a classic fade here on the side. I'm gonna wrap it around the back. Got my little mirror so I can see what I'm doing from the back side of my head. And I'm just basically gonna be very careful. I'm not gonna cut anything on the top. I'm just edging up my sides. Just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it. Guys, hit the thumbs up down below because I am so freaking scared to cut my own hair. But I'm just gonna go for it. All right, let's go. Okay, I got that side. Now it's time to get the other side. I'm getting nauseous because I'm like holding my breath trying to do this. All right, now let's get the back. Oh God. And that was a 16 millimeter guard. So now I'm gonna jump down a 12, I guess. It's a pretty big jump, and I'm gonna basically do the same thing all the way around, and I'm just gonna take it not quite as high. Now we're going to move down to the 9. Okay, so I finished up with the 9 millimeter guard. Now I'm going to swap the head off of this thing and go back to the beard head, because then I can work my way down to a smaller guard, because out of the big guards, the next one down from the 9 is like a 4. And so that's like way too small, it's way too short, and I want to blend it in a little bit more. So now I'm going down from a 9 to a 7, and then a 5, then back to the 4, and then 3, 2, and 1, all the way down. But it's coming out pretty good so far. I don't know how how short I want to take it. And I also went back through and blended this in a little bit more so it doesn't look quite as hard of a line. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the big thing, the hair trimmer. I'm gonna pop off the 9mm guard, and I'm gonna put on this angled guard here. I don't know if you can see that, it's like longer on this side and shorter on this side. I am fairly certain that that is for blending purposes, so that's what I'm going to do. Or not, bro. So the razor keeps dying on me. It's okay, we've got it plugged in right over there. But this is coming in pretty nicely. I mean, this line is kind of hard to blend out. I did my best, but I mean, it's not the end of the world. But basically now I'm gonna work my way down. I'm not really gonna touch up here anymore. I'm basically gonna be working from like here down, I guess. And fading it up. So hopefully this haircut doesn't get worse. All right, so I'm taking off the 7mm guard and I'm gonna put on the 5. Did some more blending with the 5 and the 7 and the 9, and now we're going to go back to the 4 with the big guard. So basically I just went back through, did a lot more of the blending, and then I came in with the 3 guard and just touched up the bottom. I don't think I want to go any shorter than that. I think this is fine. But yeah, that's basically it. Now I'm going to pop the guard off and get this shit off the back of my neck. Okay guys, and this is basically it. I'm gonna hop in the shower so I can get all this hair off of me, and then we're going to style the fresh haircut. All right, so I have had a shower. I'm feeling pretty good about this haircut. It's definitely not bad for the first time I ever tried it, so can't complain about that. But but we are going to be styling my hair with the Barbercraft Bee's Knees. Barbercraft sent me this product to test out and I absolutely love it. It is a sticky, high-holding type of clay and it works absolutely great for that voluminous, texturized hairstyle. So I'm going to get the same amount of this as I would for like a normal clay. About that much, about the size of a quarter. And one thing to note about this product, when you emulsify it and apply it to your hair, it is very, very sticky, which is a good thing because that's going to give you a lot of volume and it's going to add a lot of texture to your hair. So I'm going to start in the back, applying this, and then kind of work my way up to the front. Another thing that's really awesome about the Barbercraft is that it has a fantastic smell. It literally smells like a really nice cologne, which I can appreciate because a lot of hair products don't have a smell. But this one does, and it smells really good. It makes you smell kind of manly. That's not a bad thing. All right, now let's do some styling. You can see the Barbercraft Bee's Knees did a great job with my hair. Again, this is a super texturized, sticky hold product. So this is going to work for you if you have anywhere between thin, light, medium, or thick hair. It's going to do a good job because of the nature of the way this product works. Again, super sticky, very waxy feeling when you emulsify it, and it goes in the hair pretty sticky as well, but it's going to give you a lot of texture, volume, and hold overall. Very, very satisfied with this product. Alright guys, that wraps it up for today's video. Give me a thumbs up down below for cutting my own hair. That was so scary. I did not know if I was going to go through with it. I literally did it for you guys. I did it for you. Otherwise, I would have never attempted to cut my own hair. But I thought it would be an interesting piece to put on the channel, so you are welcome. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications if you have not already, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out.